Hey guys, I did a little shopping this past weekend. I went to Pensacola for my nephew's birthday, but I stopped in and got me some few things at this one store that they have, FYE. I finally found, this is gonna be my little thrift, not my little thrift haul. It's gonna be my little haul from the store, because it was only one store I shopped at. I found the Sailor Moon Monopoly, finally. I've been looking for this for years, and I'm going to link it. I'm going to put it like right here or something, but I did a taste test recently, or it's an old video, but of My Hero candy bars. I got the last 3 finally. So they had all the ones that I needed to finish off the little collection. And then I found these little Pusheen chocolate bars. So I'm going to do a little taste test. Let's do Pusheen first. We're going to do birthday cake white chocolate. They did get a little melted, which kind of sucks. But, oh my god. Mom. I love white chocolate. Like, not gonna lie, of the last My Hero candies, wasn't a huge fan except for the Bakugo one. Okay, that one's really good. Okay, we're gonna do, most of these are white chocolate except for the Hiroshima one. But this says mint flavored white confection, so I'm guessing it's white chocolate, but that's the Todoroki one. I'm going to go with the other Pusheen one, which is vanilla donut. Okay, it's blue. I was not expecting that. I thought it was going to be white chocolate as well. It tastes just like the birthday cake one. Only difference is blue. So I'm gonna go with the Todoroki one. Oh god. It's green. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting that. Very minty smell. Okay. I might get some mint ice cream and put that in it, because it was really good too. We're gonna do the Hiroshima one. Oh, this one got really bad melted. Oh my god. And it's like reddish. I really don't have a taste. I don't taste the red velvet. Okay, no, no. Okay. I'm going to do the Dorian cookies and cream. And it looks just like cookies and cream. I'm gonna do a small piece because I'm like, okay. They don't really have a taste. So, alright, I'm gonna rate them. So, I'm gonna put this one as my favorite. The birthday cake. Then, Todoroki. The mint. Then, the vanilla donut. Then, the cookies and cream, just because it doesn't really have a taste. And then Kirishima. The red velvet, just because I don't like the aftertaste. But this mint one tastes just like mint chocolate chip ice cream. So, alright, so that was my little FYE haul and taste test. I'll see y'all later. Bye.